Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Messenger account. So first of all, open Messenger. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get start. Click onto three line, settings, scroll down, see more in account center, personal details, select your Facebook account, continue, type here your password, continue, and select a region, continue, and if you want to using Messenger, enable, or if you don't using Messenger, disable, and then finally click on to deactivate my account, then successfully deactivate Messenger account. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.